Labs, and this is AI Infotech. We deal with technicality in technology. In the last class, we talk about what how to protect a file with what with an inbuilt how to protect a Word document. I mean a Word document inside Word. I actually show you that on the previous class. So the next one is using a folder lock. This is now a software. So we are going to use this software to actually do a lot of things. But when we get there, I'll be introducing. I want to go straight to the point, and I don't want to actually repeat about the push. Now the next one is what how you can actually use this to actually protect your file. How do you get this? You download it on your what on your Chrome. Once you download it on your Chrome, you search for a what folder lock for Windows, so it will bring you to the what software. You click it, and will click the file. It will actually take you to the download box. So once you actually do that, then you are good to go. It will open this page for you. Once you open this page, it will first bring out the page for you to type in password. This will be a secret key that will be used to protect that folder. So you will be the only one who knows that key. So one thing about this file folder lock is that once you actually save a file here, it will leave the whole desktop once and for all, which means no one will be able to see it or know that a file is actually there until there's access from you. So once the person even the person will not even identify that there's such file on your system. So now the best thing to do is it's actually good for internal workers. So to actually protect files that you don't want other workers to see, or some of the file that a worker or a certain department should not see. It's actually good to protect that kind of file. Now how do you actually go about this? First thing is you go to add files. So you look for the file that you actually want to put in. Like now I'll be putting in this egg crack. So once I put the egg crack, I'll click on open. So once you go to the document file, you will see that the egg crack file is no longer in the folder. So let's see if I'm actually right or I'm wrong. So right click and remove it. Once you remove it, you see the file going back to that file. So now another way you can actually go about this is that you can actually protect this file by clicking on this spot with the inbuilt software. By clicking on the properties, once you click on property, you click on advanced, and once you click on advanced, you say encrypt. Once you encrypt, you click on OK. That is if you still want that file to be in the folder but in an encryption format. You say encrypt this file only, then so you click on OK. So once you click on OK, then you see the file that's been actually locked. So when you open it, you will see nothing on the file. So now let's right click and go back to properties. Let's click on advanced. Let's remove the file. Okay, then apply, then okay. So let's click back on the file. So this the file in the folder. I think there's no content in this file. I thought I actually put in something into it. Let me see. No, I didn't put anything in the file. So that's that on that. So you can actually also save a whole folder into this with this software. You click on file, new folder. Once you click on new folder, you put it into this place. So all the folder will be protected, and you will not see it on the desktop anymore. Can you see? Let me put it out there. Can you see? It is not in the desktop anymore. You actually hide it. You hide it to the extent that you can even go as far as deleting this software. I mean the shortcuts. You can actually delete it for me, so that people will not know that you have that kind of thing installed in it. So you understand? So it's only when you actually want to use it that you actually bring it out. It will be hidden and it will be silent while using. So that's that on that. So I will actually remove it, and you see the file coming back to reality again. So I will minimize. So you see the file throwing itself back to the way it was. Can you see? It's actually what has identify itself again. That's about what how to actually protect your what folder, or protect a certain folder that actually contain is confidential data that you don't want someone to actually see on the system. Do have a nice day. See you until the next.